Hey guys, it's Catherine and you're watching CUKpop Today, and today I'm going to be reacting to BTOB's Blue, their subunit, When It Rains. I have actually never listened to BTOB-BLUE. I knew that it existed. Again, I'm not like this crazy huge BTOB fan until very recently, so I knew it existed, but I'd actually never listened to any of their music. So this would be the first time I've ever listened to. I'm assuming it's just the vocalists. It doesn't seem like there's rappers in this. So let's go. A new experience for me. Which, if this is like ballady, and if that's kind of most of the music that they do, it's crazy that I didn't listen to them before now, because I love ballads. I wish I looked that good when I first wake up. That'd be nice. Are they getting like a restaurant ready? Like setting up tables, getting food. Oh my gosh! He's so cute. Is that like... Woo! Dang! That was such a nice build-up. Do you hear like the choir effect in the background? That's really nice. The drums are going. Do they live at this restaurant? Or this cafe or whatever? He's like, what are you looking at? What's wrong? Boy, you were sad just 5 minutes ago. What are you talking about? You were all sad. Except maybe Sungjae. dude, I want to listen to that song sitting in a cafe in Korea while it's snowing or raining outside. That was so nice. That was like perfect mood setting music, and I'm taking it as a sadder song. I didn't put on the translations. I know there were subtitles, but I'm just gonna take it as it was a sad song. But still, like, it also had this warmth to it that kind of made you feel, I don't know, just wrapped and like cozy. And them being in that cafe while it is raining outside, like, just felt so, like, I don't know, like protected. I don't know, that was just such a nice song, and like the feelings and everything just kind of wrapped me up. I like that a lot. I think when it does come to ballads, you should keep the music video fairly simple or follow what the song is talking about. So this song is talking about, you know, someone that they miss, someone that, you know, they're thinking of. And so them all kind of standing around this cafe or lying in bed and thinking of, you know, that person that they miss. It's just like, it's perfect. You don't need anything more. You don't need to do this big elaborate set or this, you know, huge backstory. Like, that's perfect. The rain is also a very nice effect. You got shots where, you know, you're outside with Sungjae, you're inside with Changsub, like, so it was just a really good range of like use of location, use of set, use of whatever. Like, it was really good. I love this song. I don't know if they're coming out with an album or if this was just kind of a single thing, but I really like it. In the comments down below, tell me your thoughts and opinions on this song and this video, and like this video, subscribe, follow me on Tumblr and Twitter. Those are down below, and thanks for watching CUKpopToday, and have a good day.